I came across your work on Threads, and I was like, oh, I have to connect. And then I downloaded your book marketing touch point, and I always use that. I'm like, okay, what are ways that I can build community? What are ways that I can, just raise awareness about my book, and where am I lacking? And I feel like I always have it up. It's been so helpful. And like Neil said, I think even thinking about like, okay, how many hours do I actually have? Like I have a full-time job, I'm commuting, I have, all these other responsibilities. Like, and I think at first I really was just doing everything randomly. Like when I had time, staying up really late, just like things that were like leading to burnout. And so, I mean, I'm still feeling that because my book is coming out in like a few days. But I would say that like now I'm like, okay, when I have a second to breathe, I actually think I need to make a better plan of like how to make it more sustainable. And there are ways to do that. And I feel like I can definitely credit like connecting with you, the marketing workshop, getting your newsletter emails. Like I feel like I'm always like, okay, what's the next tip that I can get from Alona? Like this is amazing. But overall, I would just say that it has been like putting myself out there, which can kind of feel a little bit awkward at first, but I think people are more receptive and more excited to learn about your journey and like your book and your story than you think.
Mhm.
So I've just been keeping that in the back of my mind.
I